What's up, boys and girls? Empire Steve, back with you yet again. Let me turn the camera on, forgot to do that. Howdy. Today is Friday, it is the 23rd, and I want to go over just a continuation of the video I made the other day. If you didn't watch that, which I'm sure lots of you did not watch that video, because not a lot of people watched the video. Not sure why, but hey, whatever. You guys, you snooze, you lose, right? So I'm not in this to make any kind of money. I'm just trying to help you all out. So anyways, I'll keep going. I'll keep grinding. But let's get into it. What do you see right here? What do you guys? This is ES on the right. You got NASDAQ on the left. And everybody saw that we had news today. We had Jay Powell speaking. And we had U.S. new home sales. So we had Jay Powell. He's speaking at the... what was that? What the heck he said? I don't even remember what it's called now. So yeah, the Jackson Hole Symposium or whatever they call it. Anyways, he spoke. He did not speak very long. He did mention though that the time has come for a policy adjustment. So I think that means lowering of rates. But who knows? I'm not a mind reader, and I'm sure none of you are either. But so I took 2 trades today. I wasn't going to trade, but then clear setups came. So the first trade that I took was this long right here. Right there, you can see there's a classic ICT 2022 model. Where's my thing at? There it is. So we have this big run up and we have a dip down, and I sold at this prior high. And then I didn't notice this. I thought we would continue higher. I was done for the day, but I was like, man, I really have to make another video, right? So let me remove this. So you have everything is just like I said in my prior video. So you should watch that video as well. And I said it doesn't happen every day, but it does happen often. And if you literally, all you have to do is wait for these setups. Just wait for it, especially on a news day, because if you see it, like I said the other day, you're not going to unsee it. I see them and I'm like, oh my gosh, what, easiest play ever. I even looked at this late and called it out in Dodgy's live in his Discord. And I said, here it comes, boys and girls, we're coming for these lows. And what did they do? We went right to these lows. I was done for the day. I met my target on my funded futures, which here you go. You can use code Mpire up there, up here. Mpire will get you 5% off. They don't, that's the best. That's the best they do is, if you use someone's affiliate code, that's what they do, and that definitely helps support me. My code for Apex is Mpire, although my trust with Apex isn't really there. I need to see them change the rules, right? They got to get rid of that DCA crap. They got to get rid of the consistency rule crap. At least make it like 40 or 50%. Like they got to change their payout policy. When they do that, then I'll get some more Apex accounts. Until then, not even going to look at it. Sorry. Right now, my funded futures is the GOAT. They do have the micro scalping rule, but I'm not a scalper, so that doesn't impact me. So sometimes I do get out of trades real fast, but I'm always shooting for more than 5 points. They don't want people just shooting for 5 points or less. So I'm a 10-point shooter, and I look for prior highs, prior lows as my targets. What's up, Dave? You can get by. Come on. Anyways, so I saw this today. You got 1013, we have this high here, and you got 1028 here. NASDAQ took this high, whereas ES did not. And what happens? Look, it's perfect. And then you have a gap right here. And this would have been your entry, and you're targeting these lows. I would start trailing once this low came. And you have all these lows, right? You have the 930 open low, And let's see what else came. This was the this is the Thursday low that did not come, but we got all the London and you got the London and Asia low, and now price is coming back up, which is fine. I don't see an SMT here, but I do recall yesterday. I'm gonna remove all my drawings. Remove drawings. I recall seeing something yesterday. That's Wednesday. I forgot I'm on the 5-minute chart. So here's Thursday. Dun, 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 dun. And so here's Thursday. And Thursday, we got a nice SMT. So here is 9:30 open. You have this high, and you have that high. Whereas here's 9:30 open right here, but you got 9:33, and you have this 9:45. So there is a SMT. It's not at the exact right time, but you all see what I'm talking about. Now let's go to a lower time frame. Dun, 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 dun. And you're looking for something, right? So you're going to be looking for this low, this low, this low, sorry, this low and that low. This one was already taken, then moved back up. Obviously, I did that to you all yesterday, but you have these London lows right here. They all came. They're all gone, right? So you don't really get a, well, you get kind of a retrace, but so like I said the other day, what I look for is I get into them as soon as I see them. And then when I'm right, I will scale in more. So when I see it, I will get in. I'll have my stop at this prior high, and I will start trailing as I'm in profit. And if I see it like getting close to a target, I will add. And there's nothing wrong with that unless you're in a losing position, right? So you don't want a DCA or something like that, depending on which prop firm you're with. But you know, so this happened pretty much every day besides Monday. I think we've gotten a nice little SMT play. Some longs, some short, but that's it. I just wanted to keep this one a little shorter and simpler, but that's that. So we'll see what the market's doing now. Looks like we're moving back up, which is typical. When you got a big move in one direction, you're going to get that same move back in the opposite direction. So you got these 4 large bearish candles, and price is moving back up to fill these gaps. All these gaps are getting filled. So, and we dip into this little gap right here, and that's your retrace, and boom. So that's it for me. The less is more in this market. Don't go crazy trading a bazillion, trades per day. It's not going to get you anywhere. Less is more. And that's it for me, boys and girls. I hope you all have a great weekend. Take care and see you soon. Goodbye.